The Shamrock. It's St Patrick's Day soon, and there's nothing more cringy than the thought of one of your mates in a Guinness hat steaming into his local Irish pub, demanding shamrocks in his pint, that the band played Dropkick Murphys and the house are paying, then telling the hurling team they had trolls to Kilkenny when they were at school, then announcing to the whole pub they're getting in a spice bag later like they're in North Dublin. The ingredient lineup: Irish whiskey, dry vermouth, crème de menthe and green Chartreuse. I do plan to get in a bigger bottle of the Chartreuse, but the monks must be on holiday as they usually are. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of whiskey to our mixing glass. Follow this up with 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of dry vermouth. Then add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of crème de menthe. Then we want to add 1/4 ounce, 7.5ml of green Chartreuse, and just be careful you don't spill this as you'll be remortgaging your house. As the ice I'm working with is a bit on the dry side, I'm going to be adding 1/4 ounce, 7.5ml of water. I'm going to be cracking some ice cubes with my new ice tapper. On your head, son. Aim to fill your mixing glass around 2/3 full of ice. Then we're going to aim to stir this around 40 rotations. History-wise, this cocktail was created around 1917 by Hugo Enslin. Then it started to reappear in around 1930 in Harry Craddock's Savoy Cocktail book. Strain this into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish with a mint leaf. This one is really sorry looking. That's how typical the aphids have got to mine, which have been growing indoors all winter. Firstly, this cocktail looks wicked. Absolutely love this shade of green. It's like an absinthe kind of colour. But on to the taste test. The vermouth turns up straight away on this one, and then you get kind of a whiskey, menthol-like hit. Not detecting so much of the Chartreuse, but you do get a slight herbal hint. I'm not really the biggest fan of the taste of it, because I'm not the biggest sort of whiskey guy. But if you like whiskey, I think you should give it a go.